Surat is a city located on the western part of India in the state of Gujarat. It is one of the most dynamic city of India. Surat is one of the cleanest city of India and is also known by several other names like the Silk City, the Diamond City, the Green City. It has the most vibrant present and an equally varied heritage of the past. It is the city where the British first landed in India. Still today, Surat continues the same tradition as people from all around the country flock in for business and jobs. Surat has practically 0% unemployment rate and jobs are easier to get here due to very fast development of various industries in and around Surat City. The city became world famous for its diamond manufacturing industry. Here diamond industry is the world's largest diamond manufacturing center. There are several historical monuments in and around Surat. The major attractions are Dandi, Dumas, Hajra, Tidal and Ubharat. The Surat Castle is one of the ancient monuments of 16th century existing in the city and bears a significant relevance to its history.